Hello, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to learn from a few mathematician strategies. Let's look back at our equation. 50 plus 40. Our anchor chart is addition within 100. Let's take a closer look at the mathematical language, specifically decade numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Those are all decade numbers. Look at this 100 chart. Can you see which numbers are decade numbers? Yes, decade numbers are groups of 10 without any singles or ones. You may notice that they all have a 0 in the ones place. Those are all decade numbers. When you use a number line by tens, you are counting by the decade. Count with me. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We just counted the decade numbers. Let's look back at our equation. Is the same as 50 plus 40. Is the same as 50 plus 40. We need to find the sum, or the total when adding. Let's have Nicole share what the sum is.
50 plus 40 is the same as 90.
Great, thanks Nicole. We now know that the sum, or total when adding, is 90. Now let's see how some of our mathematicians found the sum. Do you notice which strategy these mathematicians are using? Here's David's strategy. Allison M's strategy. Juliana's strategy. And Kevin's strategy. Kevin even labeled the strategy he used, counting on by tens. Let's add counting on by tens to our anchor chart. Counting on by tens is the strategy. The model is a number line by tens. Remember that strategies are what you do, and models are how you show it. Let's go back and see exactly how David, Allison, Juliana, and Kevin used a counting on by tens strategy. They first started with the number line by tens to model their thinking. Then they started at 50. Next, they counted 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps to land on 90. Why did they jump 4 times when the equation says 50 plus 40? Let's hear from Emily and see if she can help explain why they jumped 4 times.
50 plus 40 is 90. I knew because I counted 4 more tens.
Emily said to jump 4 times because that is jumping 4 more tens. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Each jump is a group of 10. 50 plus 40 is the same as 90. Jair C. solved it in a different way, but I wonder if we can further understand how we are all adding these groups of 10. Let's hear from him now.
0 plus 0 is the same as 0. 5 plus 4 is the same as 9.
So what's the answer?
90.
What does Jair mean when he added 5 plus 4? The equation is 50 plus 40. I notice that there is a 5 in 50 and a 4 in 40. 50 is the same as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, and 40 is the same as 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. The 5 in 50 represents 5 groups of 10. The 4 in 40 represents 4 groups of 10. So when Jair said he added 5 plus 4, he was adding 5 groups of 10 plus 4 groups of 10 is the same as 9 groups of 10. 9 groups of 10 is the same as 90. And because these are decade numbers, there are 0 ones. I want to give a shout out to all the mathematicians who shared their strategies on Seesaw. Good work, mathematicians. Thank you, Allison Ramon, David, Caleb, Kevin, Juliana, Nicole, Emily, Allison Miranda, and Jair Cruz. Thank you all mathematicians for participating in this video today. Please leave a comment on Google Classroom to let me know you watched this video. If you need help sharing your thinking on Seesaw, reach out and I can help you. Thanks, mathematicians!